I'm pretty much dressed. Okay. We'll finish getting ready together. How long will you be there? I'm only in New Orleans for till Saturday evening. My flight is at 5. And then I'm in Mexico from Wednesday to Saturday night. We have another Saturday night flight. So I leave Wednesday at like 3 in the morning for Mexico. And then we fly home Saturday night. Let me put my hair all right up so we can see it in all its glory. Okay. What do you guys think? I think that's so cute. And then, because I'm like the overalls, no, I was gonna say, yes! What do you guys think of like the top like this? Am I wearing a bra? Oh, I'm not, okay. What do you think of the top like off the shoulder since the overalls go over here? And these overalls are flare, by the way, my friends. Like flare is coming back. I wish I kept all my flare stuff. Yes, isn't this so cute? Oh my gosh, I have like so many cute outfits now. Yes, it looks good. And then even